Welcome back to Auto Garage, the place where power meets precision, and where we dive into the machines that make hearts race. If you love high-performance beasts and automotive excellence, you're in the right place. Make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and buckle up, because today we're bringing you something truly special. This is the 2025 Mercedes AMG GT900, a car that redefines what it means to be a modern supercar. It's aggressive, elegant, and unapologetically powerful. Mercedes-Benz has always been known for blending luxury with performance, but the AMG GT900 takes that formula, turns the dial to 11, and smashes through every expectation. From the very first glance, the AMG GT900 demands attention. The wide, low-slung stance, the long sculpted hood, and the signature Panamericana grille with vertical chrome slats scream dominance. The front fascia is sharper, more focused than its predecessors, with larger air intakes designed not just for style but to feed the monstrous engine lurking beneath. Sleek digital LED headlights with animated light sequences welcome you as you approach, setting the tone for what's to come. Under the hood, it's pure AMG madness. The GT900 is powered by a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine, pushing out a staggering 900 horsepower. Yes, you heard that right, 900. This isn't just about straight-line speed, though it will launch from 0 to 60 in just 2.6 seconds, leaving your stomach somewhere behind you. Top speed, an electronically limited 217 miles per hour, though rumor has it it's capable of more on the track. The 9-speed AMG SpeedShift transmission delivers razor-sharp gear changes, and the 4MATIC Plus all-wheel drive system ensures you stay glued to the tarmac, no matter how hard you push it. But it's not just about brute force. Mercedes has packed the GT900 with cutting-edge technology and engineering to make sure every ounce of that power is usable and enjoyable. Active aerodynamics, adaptive suspension, and rear-wheel steering make this supercar as agile in the corners as it is ferocious in a straight line. New lightweight materials reduce overall weight while increasing structural rigidity, and the AMG Ride Control Plus system adapts in milliseconds to changing road conditions. Step inside, and you're met with a cabin that balances race-inspired design with luxury craftsmanship. The AMG Performance seats are sculpted to hold you firmly in place, upholstered in the finest Nappa leather with contrast stitching and carbon fiber accents throughout. A massive digital cockpit spans the dashboard, with twin 12.3-inch displays seamlessly integrating performance data, navigation, and entertainment. The new MBUX infotainment system offers voice control, augmented reality navigation, and even tracks your lap times if you take it to the circuit. Every detail in the AMG GT900 has a purpose. From the redesigned steering wheel with AMG Drive mode selectors to the custom exhaust system that delivers a symphony of deep growls and crackling overrun, it's engineered to thrill both driver and passenger. The car even features customizable ambient lighting with over 60 colors, adding a touch of personal flair to your night drives. And while it's a beast on the road, it doesn't ignore everyday practicality. There's ample trunk space for a weekend getaway and a suite of advanced driver assistance systems like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, and automatic emergency braking, making it as safe as it is savage. So there you have it, the 2025 Mercedes AMG GT900. A supercar that refuses to compromise, blending mind-bending performance, cutting-edge technology, and timeless design. If you enjoyed this deep dive, don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to Auto Garage for more automotive legends, and let us know in the comments what car you want us to feature next. Until next time, drive safe and stay passionate.